Imprint. Our common elevator pitch that we like to present to people is the question, if I could show you everything on the internet in a few seconds, would you pay for it? Often the question is yes, which presents a problem known to all the individuals who've used the internet since the dawn of the internet, and that is personal information and security. Individuals don't know how much of their information is available to anyone at any given time on the web, and this presents a great problem for exactly what they need to protect. The need. Nearly half of all American adults have had some personal information leaked within the past year. Examples for this go on to the Equifax hack, the Yahoo hack, and many other hacks that have come before it and that will come after. A person can't protect what they do not know is out there, and this is where the solution of Imprint arises. Public problems have arisen over the year as we continue to see hacks coming from Yahoo, MySpace, eBay, Equifax, LinkedIn, and so many more where millions of users have been exposed to the depths of the internet, yet still they do not know what exactly is out there. Our solution is an affordable and user-friendly service that digitally shows the entirety of your web fingerprint, including every post, account, and stolen password. This goes on to take many aspects as to exactly what a user is on the internet and how we can solve problems that we do not yet know exist. We have 3 steps to solving this. First, we make a web interfaced algorithms and AI used to collect data from users' approved accounts. Many of the APIs have already been invented but only need to be integrated into a step-by-step basis that all users can have. Examples from this come in Google and in Intel, where AI is used with artificial algorithms to find what users are doing and how they can be improved to help others. Secondly, we build an application to pull everything together and introduce the user to relevant information that exists on the internet about them. This would have information such as how many passwords have been exposed, exactly how many posts have been analyzed by others, things that allow us to know how we've been exposed on the internet and how we can stop the new attacks that are incoming. Third would be suggesting solutions and proposed plans of actions to increase privacy. After you know what you need to fix, how will we solve it? Imprint will use this to our daily lives and implement a way to fix it. Our mission. We are a startup company dedicated on making the information of the web a safer and more affordable resource for everyone, everywhere. And the way we accomplish this is using simple day-to-day basis of collecting information and security to fix it. For this, we'd like to deliver a program that heuristically collects information and would present it to the user, essentially creating one way for users to know how they've been affected by the internet and what they can do to change it. Sustainability is easy since all we need to do is software management and the deployment of this to many people everywhere. Environmentally, we don't have any impact, which allows a low overhead and a great market for us to attack on. Our competition lies in the background checks and other clunky things that require people to enter information. For example, people use Pipple, Yellow Books, and different ways to collect information about themselves. The problem is they are all segmented. All these things fragment the problem instead of putting it all together, causing over hundreds of dollars needed to make a solution to what you know about yourself on the web. Our advantage is all the information is to put together in one place, a low price option that is available to everyone anywhere. Our business model will be a secure user account that is generated, and we will try to do this on a month-to-month basis, but we will allow an interested program for people that will implement a model for demo uses. Our challenge is establishing secure and transparent customer input data. Though we are a new startup, it will be challenging for us to get innovative ideas as how to create more trust between us and our users, including what ways are we going to attack our market. Imprint's team is based up of engineers. We are full engineers from IRA Engineer Fulton Schools, who is under the advising of the Assistant Dean, Dr. Ganesh. The way we approach our project is a simple heuristic approach as engineering would, finding the problem, attacking the solution, and understanding how we can make a change. The extensive experience that we have done shows many ways of how we can attack this. I, Zaim Bosky, have had extensive experience in cybersecurity and developing my personal experience of how we do this. Our own James Pillar, who will be in charge of innovations in market, has had his own experience in engineering. Michael in marketing has also done this. We've had Michael and Benjamin who both put in input, and altogether we make a heuristic plan of how we will do this. Douglas George even shows his appreciation of how we do hard work. Altogether, us 5 engineers under the mentoring of Dr. Ganesh show an innovation approach to cybersecurity and how we can solve it.